Hello, today I'm in Mercedes A class. In this video I'll show you how to pair your smartphone with car via Bluetooth. At the beginning, take a look at the screen display and now go to settings. Enter Bluetooth, Bluetooth device list and update. Now on your smartphone, go to Bluetooth settings. Select your smartphone, enter passcode, for example 4 zeros, and now on your smartphone, confirm pairing with the password you've selected. And it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.